In this video you will learn how to upload the PHP project in Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account, access your Hostinger account and go to the hpanel dashboard. Open the file manager or FTP, navigate to the file manager in the hpanel or set up an FTP client for uploading files. Locate the public HTML folder, go to the public HTML discovery and root folder where your PHP project should be uploaded to. Upload your PHP files. Upload all the project files into the public HTML folder. Import the database. In your project, use a database. Create one in MySQL database on Hostinger. Then import your SQL file using phpMyAdmin. Configure the project settings. Update configuration files with your Hostinger database credentials. Then test your project in the browser. Now you know how to upload the PHP project in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.